Better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look cook. Recipe book.
Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my French fried chicken. So I'm gonna be adding my seasoning, like my meat seasoning, my garlic seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning, and also my black pepper to give it that flavor, if you know what I mean. Also added a shredded garlic. Yes, I love the flavor that the garlic give the chicken. Yes. So I'm gonna let the chicken marinate overnight in the fridge and then take it out in the morning. Yes. So now I am preparing my flour so the chicken can be dipped in it. So I added my paprika, my black pepper, my flour. Yeah, now I'm adding my eggs, to dip the chicken. That would be the first coat and the flour will be the second coat. Yes. Added my jerk season, my egg, my milk. So now it's time to coat my chicken. So I'm pressing, some dip, and coating the chicken. I don't want any area of the chicken left exposed, so my chicken don't dry out when it's frying. I'm gonna need enough to tell me how me and go in the comment section, please to leave a like, and also make sure to subscribe. There is many ways you can fry your fried chicken, and this is one of the way that I fry my fried chicken. And in due time, I'll try different ways of how other people fry their fried chicken. Thanks for watching guys, and please to like, share and subscribe.